1, dive!
All three Red Alliance robots speeding over. 2 L4 placements going at the same time. SuperNURDs and HighTide coming with L4. SuperNURDs falls, but HighTide makes it. SuperNURDs in the L1. HighTide now taking Algae. SuperNURDs falls again. Ending autonomous, 30-9. Red is in the lead with the rank number 1 and rank number 5 robots on their alliance. Blue side of the field, 23-75. Dragon Robotics with a Coral in their bot, lining up. SuperNURDs, Algae almost falling out. Whoa! The pilots crashing into the side of the field, trying to get Algae out of their robot. 23-75, placing 1. And the processor, SuperNURDs and HighTide running towards the red reef with Coral in hand. HighTide takes off an Algae, places an L3 Coral, and goes over to their processor, SuperNURDs, L3 Coral. Ramona Rampage raising that Coral in the air, dropping it, it falls down. Dragon Robotics with another Algae, trying to put it inside their processor. HighTide putting a Coral on level 3, grabbing one from the ground, raising it back up. Oh, just putting it on level 1. With just over a minute to go, Red is in the lead, 88-35. HighTide putting another Coral on level 1, but it falls out. SuperNURDs putting on level 2. They currently have 2 out of the 4 levels of their reef filled up for a ranking point. 1 Algae into the blue processor by Dragon Robotics. Omnicats raising a Coral in the sky. Can they get it on level 4? Let's see. HighTide another level 4. They've got all 4 levels filled up for a Coral bonus ranking point with 37 seconds to go. Red is in the lead, 114-53. Omnicats gets hers level 4 right on. HighTide another level 4. And 30 seconds to go. HighTide going in for a climb. And it looks like SuperNURDs is about to, oh, they're gonna put an Algae up in their net. It bounces off. HighTide up in the air. SuperNURDs also going for a climb on a deep cage. 10 seconds to go. Can they get up? Blue robots heading over to their zone. SuperNURDs up in the air with 5 seconds to go. That's 2 red robots. 2, 1.